Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Bitget wallet. Let's dive straight into it. First, open the Bitget app or website and log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, tap on the Assets tab, click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Assets. This will take you to your wallet where you can see all your balances. Scroll down and choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Tap on the coin name. Now hit the withdraw button. You will see the withdrawal page where you can input your details. Next, paste the receiving wallet address where you want to send your funds. Make sure you are entering the correct address for the right coin. Double check. Select the appropriate network for the withdrawal. Ensure that the network matches the receiving wallet's network or you might lose your funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw all your funds, just tap Max. Check the network fees, which will be deducted from your total. Once you are satisfied, tap Next or Confirm. You will need to complete security verification. This could be through email, SMS, or Google Authenticator depending on your settings. Enter the code and proceed. After submitting, your withdrawal request will be processed. The time may vary depending on the network, so just be patient. You can track the status under your transaction history. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn your funds from your Bitget wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick guides. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.